It's beginning to look a lot like a Dutch Star. Hey guys, no one ever complimented me on my singing, but knowing coaches, that's a different story. Today I got the 2021 Dutch Star behind me, 4081. Previously, the 4018 floor plan. Coach floor plans are almost identical, but once we get inside, we'll go over the differences and the specifics that make this coach super unique. Exterior wise, it has exterior custom paint. So what that means is every paint schematic on this coach was custom ordered and fitted to that paint code. So this is one of a type unique, basically exterior floor plan option that you have on this paint out there on the market. That makes this exceptionally cool for you guys. This coach is ordered with the OmniView 360 camera. That means there's a camera on the front of the coach, on the rear, separate from the rear camera, and two more on the left and right side. Full 360 view around the motorhome. Also, it's got the chrome baggage locks. So we ordered that option just to give that little bit of that bezel kind of shine to the coach, makes it look sharp. Then if you look through the pass-through storage, we have the trays in there. So full pass-through storage within that Star Foundation, strong, true, and robust. That means that you can actually pull out the tray, put all your stuff on it, and push it back inside the coach. Let's take a look inside. There's a ton of options on this gorgeous motorhome that I think is going to be perfect for you guys, especially this Christmas. Let's head in. Welcome to the front cockpit area of this Freightliner 450 horsepower Allison 3000 1250 pounds torque Dutch Star. If you look at the new console setup that Freightliner started established since 2019, you have the digital all-dash display. You also have a little position to your left to charge your smartphone, and this coach does have the HWH hydraulic leveling system right there on your left-hand side. Panning over to the digital touchscreen displays for your radio, for your navigation, and your rear cameras, the screens have adjusted into size this year, so they are a little bit larger, so you have a bigger view of the cameras as well as the navigation when it's displayed. Right above this is your 43-inch LED TV Samsung up front. Both captain's chairs are full 360 chairs, meaning they do turn in a full motion all the way back around and can entertain with the guests that you have over. Stepping into the residential quarters of this motorhome and starting immediately with your recliners opposing your pull-out couch bed, the wood finish around this coach is the maple glazed hardwood matte finish. So it's not high in gloss, it's just that nice touch of matte. Now sitting with your recliners that are opposing that sleeping mattress set, that is a pull-out couch that folds open and can sleep two adults full size. Your televator comes up from behind that pull-out couch bed, and the button for that televator is placed right between the sidewall of the two recliner chairs. Panning over into this absolutely stunning kitchen setup, you have your true induction cooktop. Now this induction cooktop is unique in its own because this cooktop can be removed, taken out, and plugged in anywhere you want, including outside the coach. Right above it is a Whirlpool induction microwave, full residential size. To the right of this microwave and the true induction, you have the stainless steel double tub sink. Now right across from your kitchen, this coach was ordered with the Euro booth option. Now this Euro booth is very, very unique in its aspect, where this nice true solid surface table pulls out. You can put two leaves on there, and you can sit two more chairs on the outside of this that are stored under that king bed in the back that we'll get to here shortly. Right behind your booth dinette is your true full-size residential Whirlpool fridge with ice maker in the bottom freezer storage. To the left is your full-size pantry with pull-out drawers. The bathroom setup right opposing the refrigerator is your half bath. This coach is a bath and a half, so with this half bath we see right here, you do have your toilet, your sink, a couple drawers in the cabinets here, and medicine cabinets. Now as we're walking and making our way down this coach, please notice that the floor tile is true porcelain tile, and since 2015 when it was designed, 16 forward, all the Dutch Star plans have full tile into this coach, including into the wall slide. Now that wall slide is allowing to hold that extra weight for the tile by a hydraulic lift system to bring that slide in. Now the floor tile that we're actually walking on that I'm mentioning here is from the Mountain Air series of Newmar. It's custom ordered to this coach, so there's not going to be too many Dutch Stars out there with Mountain Air flooring. Now, stepping in to the suite, the residential captain's quarters of this motorhome, you have a king-size bed. This bed is a Sleep Premier Air mattress, so you can adjust both sides of the bed by the individual remote that comes with this coach. And finally, into the back bath of this coach, full-size king quarters bathroom, stackable washer and dryer can be placed into the closet space. You have your single vanity sink, and you have your standing up shower with chair. So this coach comes all together as you look down the galley space here as one true, absolutely elegant bath and a half floor plan option that Newmar offers here on this Dutch Star 4081. A lot of information, a lot of things to go over, but all key essential unique information ordered and optioned specifically for this coach. So guys, give me a call. The number's at the bottom. Chris Chopa. I'd love to help you guys out this holidays. Get yourself into this unique, perfectly set 4081 Dutch Star floor plan. Look forward to hearing from you. Thanks.